Hi there, I just wanted to show you a few things about Screencastomatic today. First of all, you can go to screencastomatic.com and log in with Google. You can also launch this directly from Canvas. It gives you a few functions. For example, you can capture just a screenshot, and you can use the little border tool here to figure out what part of the screen you want to capture. That works for the recorder as well. So if you don't want to show the upper part of your screen where all of your crazy tabs are open, or some other parts of your screen, you don't have to share that piece. And then up in the upper left hand corner, you can't see right now, there's a record button that will get you started recording. It will just use the regular microphone. It will pick up audio from your computer if you set it to do that. So if you want it to, for example, to play just a snippet of a recording or something that is on your screen, you could do that. And then you can also walk through your screen for your students. I have a recording here and it gives me a few options. It tells me when I created it. I can play it back to preview. And I can also get a link directly to that recording. And then this gives me a few more options. I can move things into separate folders within my YouTube channel. I can change any of the details that I choose to about it on the fly. And then over here is where all of my organized videos would be and images. So here are the folders that I could create. I'm going to probably add a folder that has to do with training and videos to help people. And then that would also help you with your organization in YouTube as well. And so there's a lot of options here that you can do. And then finally, when I come up here and look at the other pieces, it gives me some options to pull out my email address, things like that. And then the last thing that is really important is right up here when I click on my profile. It also has a video editor tool, and we can take a look more at that in the next clip. So hopefully you'll have good luck using this, and as soon as I click end, it will give me some options about where and how to store this. So good luck. Contact me if you need any help. This is Michelle. Thanks.